Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Lakra and my roll number is 20EC30004. I have created this 3D model of a minion. So I started with creating this sketch using B-spline and the line tool. Then I revolved it about Z axis using the revolve tool. Then I created these two cylinders in the part workbench and used cut tool and got this shape. Then I used fillet tool in the highlighted area and got this shape. Then I created these two tubes in the part workbench of same outer radius as the cylinder. Then for the lens, I created this sketch using the B-spline tool and used revolve tool and got the shape. And then I copied it and placed it over here and used fusion tool. Then I used union on those three parts and got this shape. Then I created these two sketches at different heights and used additive loft and then thick solid tool to create this shape. Then I created the cylinder and the rectangular sketch and used groove tool to create this groove on this cylinder. Then I used fillet tool at top and bottom edge to make it smooth. Then I mirrored it using mirror tool in the draft workbench. Then took union of these three. Then I placed it with this body and used union tool. And for these legs, I created two rectangles and different heights and used loft and fillet feature to get this shape. Then I created this clone of it using the clone tool in part design workbench. Then for creating these shoes, I created two sketches at different heights and used loft and fillet tool to make this shape. Then I used mirror tool in draft workbench to make this mirrored copy of it. Then I created this shape. For creating this, I created this sketch and used revolve tool. Then I created these two sketches at different plane and used add feature. Then I placed them with this body. Then I used boolean feature cut to get this shape. Then I combined all the shapes using the fusion tool. And then for creating these hands, I created this curved sketch using B-spline tool and this circle perpendicular to each other and used the additive pipe feature to create this curved shape. Then I created four circles of different radius at different heights and used loft and fillet tool to get this shape. Then I created these three sketches at different heights and used loft feature to get this shape. Then I took three spheres in the part workbench and used fusion tool to create the finger. Then I placed them in this way and added an ellipsoid using the additive ellipsoid tool in the part design and then used union tool on all of these parts. Then using the mirror tool in the draft workbench, I mirrored it about YZ plane. Then I placed all the parts correctly and used union tool. Then I created this smile sketch and padded it and used the cut tool to get the final result. Then I exported it as a STL file. I opened the STL file in Cura software and placed it horizontally and scaled it down, and I have selected draft as 0.2 mm and I have given it infill density of 20% and I have selected this generate support option. After slicing, it is showing that it will take 33 grams of material and 2 hours and 26 minutes for 3D print it. I saved the G-code file so later it can be used for 3D printing. Thank you.